This is a quick informational guide on the GoPro Hero 12 Black if anybody interested. How to use it and what to do. So let's start with the informational guide. For example, how to get off this case, you may ask. Because these are usually the cases that you will get. Well, not with the kit, but in my demonstration, this is what you're gonna get. And you're gonna ask me, how the hell do you get off this case? You hold this tab up here, you do swipe and latch should unfold like that. Like, don't be scared of reefing a tiny bit, because it's like, with closing it, you need to a tiny bit like push from here. So that's my personal tip, push and then lock the thing. So like that, and then open the door. Again, how to change the back door, because you might get this one or this one, is there. You take off this and you take on this. There you go, and voila! You have now water just in case. Push it on all sides like this, and there you go. You have now a fully water resistant camera that can go up to 60 meters underwater. So maybe the thing I'll be shooting on someday, this could be actually useful on the water shots, for example, or something like that. Who knows? So I'm also probably gonna get something off my kit wise too. So to take out the GoPro, obviously you know how to do that. That's self-explanatory. How to mount the GoPro. There's few ways you can do. There's few ways you can do it. First way is use the official finger ways of get your fingernail or something underneath there and there, boom, and you can just take this, and the old school method of mounting the GoPro with literally being solid as a doornail. It's not gonna come off of whatever you're mounting to. Or they actually added a new system, a new way of mounting something to it, because I have noticed this they don't have added on the older ones. So I have a Hero 9, personally I have a Hero 9, a slightly older generation. If you look on the bottom, they do not have something that I actually wish they added. There's actually a mod for this to remove the old legs and put the new ones on, with the literally thumb screw like this to a tripod like that, for example. That's just handy as is. Boom. As you can see, I went with the third-party route and just got a case for it, so I can even put like a light mod. It's called light mod? Yeah, it's called light mod. So I can just have a light mod and a microphone with an adapter dingling, and there you go. I have a nice case without worrying about anything. But thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here you can subscribe, or you can scroll down for more information, like our link tree or Discord server, or whatever we think important to you to see.